Hey everybody, it's your girl Ashley here, and I'm going to be reviewing a product I purchased. It is called Tough and Rugged. So basically, I purchased this because I realized that, so it is a roadside kit. I purchased this because I realized that I don't have any like emergency preparedness tools or anything inside of my car. Let me think, do I? No, yeah, I don't. So I'm just like, okay, so if something happens, I will basically be waiting for, I mean, I do have AAA and I do have emergency roadside assistance via my insurance, but I mean, for like little cases, like for instance, if I need my car jumped, why call them if I have the tools in my car? And also there's just some safety things in here as well that could be helpful. Okay, so this is how it looks. So yeah, once again, it came in this box. It's kind of beat up. It was inside of another box. I purchased this from Amazon. Yeah, so like I said, it's kind of beat up, but that's okay. And then it came with this card. I hope you guys saw that, all of it. And then on this side, it basically shows you how to plug up the cables when it's time for you to jump, which is pretty cool. I know how to do it, but I mean, for anyone that doesn't, it's helpful. So it comes in this little cute tote bag, this pink tote bag. Okay, so inside we have the pink and black jumping cables. Okay. That there. And then it has the hand crank emergency flashlight. So with a little tassel. Oh, my hand's too big to even fit in that, but anyways. So basically you would hand crank it, and then I don't know if it's gonna be reflective or not, but then the light turns on, I guess. And then, but it also comes on once you press this button up, it comes on. Hopefully that'll show on the camera, but it comes on. And then this is just a hand crank to, I guess, recharge it. And then to push the handle back in, you hold it in, and then you slide this up, and it stays like that. Yeah, so I hope I'm explaining how to use it correctly. If not, do your own research, but it seems pretty simple. And then I have the pink ice scraper. So pretty cool. And a whistle, and on the whistle, it comes with a compass. So it's pretty helpful. And it has a convenient first aid kit here. And I'll just open it really quickly to show you what's inside. It has some gauze, some Q-tips, some tape, little shears, alcohol pads, bandages, and it's like a sling, I guess. And then it comes with some, not paper clips, safety pins. There we go, safety pins. So that is good. I'll have everything down in the description box to list what is exactly in this kit and the names and everything. So that. And then I have the solid head emergency hammer. And basically, from what I was told, I remember my mom had one of these. From what I was told as a kid, you basically use this to break open a window. Like for instance, like if your car is submerged underwater, I suppose whatever may happen. But yeah, if your car went off the road and submerged into water, you can use this, or any other instance, but yeah, you can use this and it'll and just like bang it up against the window, and it will shatter the glass. Obviously just be careful when you shatter it, I suppose, but if you're in an emergency, I mean, I guess you're gonna do what you gotta do to get yourself to safety. And then on this side, it has the it's like a razor inside there. Hopefully you guys can see that. It's a razor inside there, and this is to cut the seatbelt. Like if your seatbelt is stuck and you need to hurry up, even though this seemed like it would take longer, but it's a seatbelt cutter. So yeah, you would use that and put the seatbelt thread right in there and just cut it. So that's that. And then I have the pink tire pressure gauge. Yeah, pretty self-explanatory if you know how to use it. If you don't, you just you put this part onto, you undo the cap on your tire and you'll plug this part on here, and it will basically, this will automatically, from the air that's in your tire, will release. This will automatically release and will let you know what the PSI is of your tire. And then you would either, you would add air or release air if you just pumped air into your tire according to what the amount is, what the recommended amount of air pressure is recommended for your tires per manufacturer or per tire company or whatever. It should say it right on the tire though. A lot of the PSIs are directly on the tire. So yeah, so that's what that is. And then one last thing, it is the Deluxe pink multi-tool. So yeah, and just like, of course, like any other multi-tool, it's like an assortment of like, I guess this is like to cut. Be very careful. You don't want to cut yourself. I think this one is like a bottle opener. I don't know. To be honest, it's a ruler. Looks like that's a ruler. It's like a file on this side, and then it's like a ruler on that side. It's a tiny screwdriver. Sorry, I don't know the name of all these little tools here, but yeah. To be honest, I'll probably only use it for the I want to say pliers. Pliers, yeah, I think these are pliers. Something like that. But yeah, okay. So, ooh, that was a little tough, so be careful, you don't want to snap your fingers. So yeah, that was everything that was in the kit. Oh, and this came in a little black pouch, which is nice. So yeah, that was everything that came in. This is just bubble wrap. Everything that came inside. Like I said, this is a nice bag. Even if you don't want to use it for your emergency stuff, you can use it for something else. So like, it seems pretty durable. And I'm very happy with this purchase. What else do I need to tell you guys? Once again, it's called, the company is called, I believe, Tough and Rugged. Prep, be prepared, tough and rugged, be safe. Pretty pink roadside kit. And then it lists everything that's in it. The heavy duty pink booster cables, the hand crank emergency flashlight, deluxe pink multi-tool, the solid head emergency hammer, emergency whistle with compass, pink ice scraper, pink tire pressure gauge, convenient first aid kit, and the reflective bag gauge carry bag. Okay, so oh yeah, the price, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry, how much did I pay for this? Ooh, okay, I'm sorry guys, I can't remember off the top of my head, but I will go check on Amazon to see how much I paid for it, and I'll leave it down in the description box. Okay, thank you guys for watching this review. I hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully it wasn't sound like I was rambling. Hope I got to the point to everything, and thank you for watching. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up.